No, fleas.
Oh, she does? That's flea poop?
I think this is flea poop.
Oh.
Damn it.
Oh.
Everything has to be disinfected now. I didn't see any fleas though. So see this here? See how it's bleeding red? That means flea poop. That's actually blood from the cat. So when the flea poops, it turns red like that. I don't know if she has live fleas or if she's been recently treated for fleas because I haven't seen any. But that could explain why she was so matted, because she's been itching. I didn't see any fleas, so I wonder if they recently put flea meds on her and that's just old poop.